The comfort zone, we all have it, don't we? You know, it's when things are easy, regular, repetitive and mundane. How many can relate to this? So many people go through life within their comfort zones, trudging along day in day out, dreaming of what could be better. A better job, nicer house, nicer car, better holidays. But how many actually step out of the comfort zone and do something about it? Not many, I can tell you. And when they see someone else do it, what happens? They laugh, they call names, they ridicule. Why? Because deep down they are jealous. Albert Einstein said, "The definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over, expecting a different result. To be successful, or even to change your situation in any way, you physically have to change something. This means stepping out of that comfort zone." Is it scary? Sure it is. Is it harder? Without a doubt is risky. Extremely. But is it worth it? 100%. So today, make those dreams a reality. Don't just sit and think about it. Do something. Break that mold and grab your goals. You will be so glad you did. REDFERN UK.